Have you ever heard of a slab leak? Today we'll be talking about slab leaks and foundation repair. How's it going? Justin here, back with another foundation repair tip of the day. So today we'll be talking about slab leaks. With so many slab on grade foundations out here in Southern California, we deal with lots and lots of slab leaks. Plumbing isn't really our area of expertise, so we'll be sticking to how they can affect your home's foundation. Our soil out here is made up of a ton of clay, and when moisture becomes present, the clay expands and expands, and when it leaves, the clay shrinks and shrinks. Slab leaks don't just present moisture though. They present ongoing, non-stop moisture that will completely saturate these clay soils and eventually begin to erode away the soils beneath your home's foundation. The slab kind of floats on top of the soil, so when the soil expands, it can force those areas of the foundation to raise up, and when it shrinks or erodes, the slab can settle or sink. Ultimately, the effects of a slab leak can become permanent if they're not properly addressed. If you think you might have a slab leak, make sure to call a plumber as soon as possible. Then you can call a foundation repair contractor just like us.